Welcome back to Island Life Live. The Friends of Iolani Palace welcomes all residents to explore the palace, experience Hawaiian culture, and enjoy a day on the historic grounds.
Kama'aina Sunday is a free event held on the second Sunday of every month, and it just so happens to be this weekend.
Yeah.
Here to get us ready for it is the beautiful, the awesome, the effervescent President and CEO of the Friends of Iolani Palace, Paula Akana. How are you doing, my sister?
How are you?
We're always happy to see you. You know, sometimes our month kind of goes like this, and then we see you and we're like, hey.
Yeah, this is the highlight of my month as
It
well.
is.
To be with you folks.
Imagine her having to work with me every day. This is like,
I really need you, Paula.
I'm like every day. Okay, usually we start with the entertainment and the whole thing, but I want to start with the papa, the Lei Lau Niu, with
Kuana Torres Kahele.
you brought him back.
Oh, it's going to be beautiful, right?
Oh.
He is an amazing laymaker.
I think if we can jump to the
I think
video.
there's a video or there's a picture of...
This video right here. Let's jump to this video, John, if we can,
Awesome.
with Kuana, the next one, the one in preview right now. And then tell us about what's happening.
So actually this weekend he was picking all of the lau and washing it down in the ocean to get it ready, to prep it for this. So they'll be making beautiful lei. They look like roses. There's all different ways to make, and he's such a master lei maker. So we're excited to have that, and there he shows it there. So he's going to have 2 classes at 9 o'clock and 11:30 with 25 people each.
Awesome. So you got to get up.
So you got to get up early and be by that Richard Street gate to sign in.
That is just
Isn't that beautiful?
gorgeous.
Oh my gosh, that is beautiful.
Yeah, we're excited.
I love the fact that he's not only a master lei maker, but he's also a very patient kumu. Yeah, very patient kumu.
Very patient kumu. And just, all around, beautiful songwriter, beautiful singer, makes beautiful earrings and everything else, right? So
He get him. He's a handsome Hawaiian. I mean, he get the whole package or whatever.
You jealous? You jealous? I get it. Now, sister, you are always putting together an incredible lineup of entertainment as well. Please let us know who's performing this month.
Well, so we're celebrating Olelo Hawaii, Mahina Olelo Hawaii, and it was so nice to see Kulani Akea that you had here.
Yes.
So, we will have Kawaihono Okana Na'awau and the Krug Ohana.
Oh, yes. Oh,
Yeah.
Kalihorem.
Yep, Kalihodan, we're going to come and do that. And then we'll also have Ku'ipo Kumukahi.
We love her.
So it is
She's sassy
a
and
really
fun.
wonderful day. It is Super Bowl Sunday, so we're hoping,
What is that?
I don't know. I don't know.
I'd rather be at the Iolani Palace, let me tell you.
And there's enough time for them to run home and still see the game. But I think it'll be a wonderful day to celebrate Olelo Hawaii. We'll have some kids' activities for Hawaiian language for them to take part in. And then Helumoa, Royal Hawaiian Shopping Center, will be doing kupe'e
Oh, yes.
for everybody. So
They're
that's
so
always
good.
a fun one. And it's
Yes.
always nice to have their support
100%.
along with Hawaii Tourism Authority and Hawaiian Native Corporation.
I love that.
Makes it all happen.
Always great to have even more friends of the Friends of Iolani Palace. And you at that center is so awesome. Now, of course, the star of the show is the palace herself. And we got some free tours, right?
That's right. We have enough for 500 kama'aina to be free and come through an audio tour. Those tours will run from 9 to about 2 o'clock. So when you just come on into the gates, you can sign up and grab your little bracelet for your tour right then and there. If you're not kama'aina, at Kalamai you will have to pay because this is Kama'aina Sunday.
There you go.
But it's a special time, and we try to do that as a give back to our community who's supported us all these years.
Absolutely. And I think, honestly speaking, as a kama'aina that has gone through the Iolani Palace, every single time I go through, I see something new. Something new catches me. So definitely come back and come back again.
We have people that come every month.
And
it's great. But it is. It's true. You see something new. I see new things every day when I walk through. I learn new things.
Absolutely.
And that's what makes it
She got a
beautiful.
cool job. I mean, I thought she had a cool job over here on the anchor desk, but over there in the palace, oh my gosh, Paula, thank you so much for coming
Thank
back.
you.
And of course, we'll see you in March.
Yep.
And April and May and June and
Yeah,
July.
That's right.
Thank you. I appreciate your support. Your support is
100%.
huge. So thank you.
All the time, all the time. All right, we're going to take a quick break, but before we do, today is National Chopsticks Day, Lau Pake. So here's our Yuso Akamai question. Some people, by the way, have a fear of chopsticks. So what is it called? Ichmophobia, consecoteliophobia, inoculophobia, and trypophobia. I cannot wait till we're done with this question. Answer coming up in 5 minutes on Island Life Live.
Who made this up?